Attracting money with salt. Salt has a spiritual benefit that many people are not aware of. Salt has the power to cleanse and also eliminate the negative energy that stop us from progressing. When you use salt in a spiritual way, you attract prosperity, good luck, and good things of life. That is why when we are not well, we are told to go to the beach. Why? Because sea salt has a spiritual benefit, and also it helps to cleanse our body and our soul is cleansed. In this video, you will find out how to attract money with salt. Please, sea salt and not your refined salt that you use in cooking. It does not have the same properties, so you are using sea salt. For salt baths, you need to take 7 handfuls of sea salt and place it on your bathing water, or you can also place, if you are having a bathtub, place it on the bathtub and immerse yourself sea salt and place it on your bathing water and pour it on your body little by little for 30 minutes. Okay, so after that, don't clean your body, just allow your body to dry naturally. So if you want to do this, it's good to start on a Monday and stop on a Friday. That's for 5 days. Another way to attract money is to wash your hands with sea salt. Fill in a glass of water and add a tablespoon of sea salt. Mix it and let it stay for 1 hour. Then you use it to wash your hands. And as you do it, repeat the following. Salt is protective and it will help me to multiply my money, and so that I never go without it at home. I will repeat it again. Salt is protective and it will help me to multiply my money, and so that I never go without it at home. The important thing is not to dry your hands with towel. Let them air dry. Shake your hands, and also it is recommended you do this once a month. Preferably do this first Sunday of every month. Now another method is salt in your wallet or your purse. What you need to do: put sea salt inside a red nylon, close it and carry it in your wallet or your purse every day. And please, when you do this, make sure you carry it every day and you must change it from time to time. This will help your wallet always have money. Get 2 glasses, fill them with water and add a tablespoon of sea salt. Mix it and leave each glass in the corner of your business or your house. Both water and salt should be changed every 3 days. Washing the glasses very well, you will place them again and leave them until you consider that the customers are returning and your business is blooming. I hope that these tips will help you in the process of attracting money with salt. Remember that the most important thing to do is doing this with faith. Now, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. And also, if you are yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing to this channel. We've come to the end of the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to also drop comments. See you on my next video. Stay positive, stay blessed, and stay happy.